Hi, today let's make spicy Andhra style chicken dry fry. It's very simple to make. In a pan, you need to add in oil and cumin seeds. When it starts spluttering, add in some whole garam masala like cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. When the flavor is infused, add in sliced onions, curry leaves, some cashews, and then give it a good toss. Once it turns slightly brown, add in ginger garlic paste. When the ginger garlic paste raw smell goes in, you need to add in some turmeric powder, add in salt, give it a good toss, and add in chicken. Now mix the chicken really very well. Till all the ingredients are tossed really very well with the chicken. Now I've added in tomato puree, give it a good toss, and cover the chicken for at least 5 minutes. By the time you can see there's water which is there around, now you need to just give a good toss, and then I'm adding in some garam masala powder along with some chili powder. Once and give it a good toss. Now you need to wait till the water evaporates. Once the water is evaporate, finally you need to add in some coriander powder, add in some pepper powder, and give it a good toss. Now check for the salt at this stage. Now for the extra spiciness and flavor, I'm adding in some curry leaves, some slit green chilies, and finally some coriander leaves for garnishing, and give it a good toss. Mix it really very well. This is a spicy chicken. Sometimes we tend to crave for something spicy. I would suggest you to try this recipe. You can serve it hot with some rice, naan, roti. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.